All right, boys and girls, what did we got here? Oh, interesting. So, let's take a look what is inside. This is Amazon Prime, as you see, okay? It's Prime, right? I ordered some groceries from the Prime. Let me see. What is inside. I'm just showing you for those people who are wondering how it goes when you order Prime. All right, good. What we got here? Nice packing. This is a grill cover for my grill. Okay, good. Oh, by the way, wait a little bit. By the way. So, this is a toothbrush, new toothbrush. This is some for cleaning stuff, okay? And this is toothpaste. All right, just some to test out. I ordered some things to test out. Now, look here, what I got here. You see, you got for each item you order, it's empty, okay? For each item you order, you get some kind of like this. What it says actually is, let me see what it says. It says my address here. It says my address here, and then it says what? I'm just trying to find out where is the price, okay? Where is the price? So the first question is, what do you think? How many people would pay attention to this? How many people of Amazon buyers or from eBay sellers even pay attention to this? They got their stuff, whatever, so it's in Amazon's box. Yeah, it's from Amazon's box, but they open the box. Oh yeah, that's strange. I ordered from eBay, it came from Amazon in Amazon's box. Okay, but do you think how many people will gonna search exactly what's written in this freaking weird, it's so small letters here, and here is a, let me see what's in there actually. Where is the price? I can't find the price. I can't find the price because I'm looking for the price, you know. There is no price here. Definitely, this is my address. This is a gift. No, I'm just going very carefully. I try to go through all this. Here, this is no price. This is priceless. Okay, let's take a look here. What's in there? If there is an address, there is a invoice for, yeah, invoice, but there is no price. There is no price. I can't see the price here either. There is no price, guys. Even if you do not tick the box there, or even if you are shipping them without gift options, don't worry, there is no price on them. So don't worry about your Amazon shipping, about your prices. If there will be some freaking weird people, they will gonna go and search, of course, for it on Amazon. But in a normal way, in the most cases, never happen like this. All right? Okay, take care and enjoy your dropshipping. Bye-bye.